Have you ever dreamed of building wealth without working every single day for it? Do you often ask yourself how people achieve financial freedom while you're still stuck in the cycle of trading time for money? The confusion grows stronger. Some say start a business, others say invest. But everything sounds complicated or risky. In this video, we are sharing 77 passive income ideas to become financial free in real life. Number 1, earn steady dividends by investing in long-term blue-chip global stocks. Number 2, generate passive rental income from residential apartments in prime cities. Number 3, create online courses once and sell lifetime access to students. Number 4, self-publish ebooks on Amazon Kindle and earn royalty-based income streams. Number 5, launch print-on-demand merchandise stores and earn profits without holding inventory. Number 6, sell royalty-free stock photos and videos on popular digital marketplaces. Number 7, build diversified index fund portfolio to grow wealth automatically over years. Number 8, earn reliable monthly interest through peer-to-peer lending investment platforms. Number 9, design downloadable business templates and sell them on global Etsy stores. Number 10, participate in real estate crowdfunding projects for hands-free property investments. Number 11, collect dividends consistently by investing in high-yield international dividend ETFs. Number 12, build authority blogs and earn commissions through affiliate marketing partnerships. Number 13, upload YouTube videos, monetize with ads, and receive sponsorship opportunities. Number 14, develop subscription-based mobile applications that generate recurring monthly passive revenue. Number 15, buy attractive domain names cheaply and resell them for higher profits. Number 16, place vending machines in busy locations to earn automatic daily income. Number 17, license original music for streaming platforms and earn royalty-based income. Number 18, build membership sites with exclusive premium content behind monthly paywalls. Number 19, automate dropshipping businesses with global suppliers for effortless online sales. Number 20, write and monetize newsletters by charging readers recurring subscription fees. Number 21, invest in real estate investment trusts for steady dividends. Number 22, rent out furnished vacation homes through Airbnb for seasonal income. Number 23, sell professional Excel spreadsheets and templates to global business professionals. Number 24, upload digital art to marketplaces offering global printing on demand services. Number 25, operate fully automated laundromats and earn steady recurring monthly cash flow. Number 26, lease outdoor billboard advertising spaces to local and global businesses. Number 27, sell typography fonts and graphic design resources through online platforms. Number 28, purchase farmland and lease it to farmers for agricultural production. Number 29, license patents and intellectual property to corporations for royalty payments. Number 30, buy government bonds and receive safe, predictable interest income annually. Number 31, write and sell fitness or diet ebooks through online platforms. Number 32, install ATM machines in stores and earn from transaction charges. Number 33, host podcasts with sponsors and earn advertising revenue regularly. Number 34, invest in storage unit businesses to earn monthly rental income. Number 35, build SaaS software products and charge recurring subscription-based user fees. Number 36, own fully automated car washes for consistent income without labor. Number 37, purchase royalties from existing creative works and earn passive cash flow. Number 38, launch subscription box businesses with automated shipping and fulfillment systems. Number 39, lease agricultural land to solar companies for renewable energy projects. Number 40, sell printable planners and journals online for passive global sales. Number 41, invest in shipping container homes and rent them as properties. Number 42, buy tax lien certificates from governments for secured interest returns. Number 43, acquire timberland investments and profit from sustainable wood harvesting sales. Number 44, write and license children's storybooks to publishers for recurring royalties. Number 45, build Patreon communities and charge monthly supporters for exclusive premium content. Number 46, invest in mobile home parks and earn recurring space rental fees. Number 47, Launch Shopify stores offering downloadable digital products with automated delivery. Number 48. Sell crochet and knitting patterns as downloads on digital platforms. Number 49. Rent parking spaces in crowded cities for consistent monthly payments. Number 50. Install community water vending machines and collect passive recurring income. Number 51. Place massage chairs in malls and airports for automated profits. Number 52. Purchase oil or mineral rights and collect regular royalty payments. Number 53. License subscription software for businesses to generate recurring monthly revenue. Number 54. Rent high-quality photography equipment to freelancers and content creators worldwide. Number 55. Develop and sell WordPress themes or plugins for website owners. Number 56. License innovative patented inventions to companies for passive royalty income. Number 57. Buy shares of dividend aristocrat companies with consistent annual payouts. Number 58. Publish niche magazines or journals and earn through subscriptions. Number 59. Purchase annuities and receive guaranteed lifetime monthly retirement income. Number 60. Acquire movie or TV royalties and earn recurring streaming payments. Number 61. Sell meditation audio recordings through online stores and platforms. Number 62. Lease signage spaces to small businesses for regular rental income. Number 63. Invest in co-working spaces and rent desks for monthly profits. Number 64. Sell personalized meal or diet plans through automated online delivery. Number 65. Upload handmade craft patterns to marketplaces for ongoing global sales. Number 66. Earn kiosk rental income inside high-traffic shopping malls worldwide. Number 67. Create and sell printable kids' educational worksheets online worldwide. Number 68. Invest in toll roads and receive long-term consistent usage revenue. Number 69. Purchase music catalog rights and earn ongoing royalty-based cash flow. Number 70. Sell subscription-based financial market analysis or trading signal services. Number 71. Rent out bicycles or electric scooters in tourist-heavy destinations. Number 72. Operate refill water dispensers in urban communities for steady income. Number 73. Sell smartphone wallpapers, icons, and themes as downloadable assets. Number 74. Lease farmland for livestock grazing and earn yearly income. Number 75. Invest in renewable energy projects through global sustainability funds. Number 76. Rent fishing boats or yachts seasonally for passive tourism profits. Number 77. Develop mobile games and monetize with ads or in-app purchases. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.